How to sell digital products online, the complete guide. A digital product is a type of good or piece of media that can be bought and sold over the internet without ever needing to have new copies made. Digital resources like MP3s, PDFs, movies, plugins, and templates can all be downloaded or streamed online. Digital products can be divided into two categories: digital goods and digital services. Digital goods can be classified as content, software, data, or physical things like 3D printed models. Digital services include online courses and ebooks. Here are just a few profitable digital products. Ebooks. Courses. Audio/music. Video. Art. And much, much more. Digital products are more appealing to consumers because of their convenience. It is easier for people to buy products when they are sitting on the couch in their pajamas, as opposed to going out in public and getting harassed by salespeople. Some of the benefits of selling digital products online include that you can sell them all over the world. You don't have to pay for storage or shipping. And you don't have to worry about your inventory getting lost or stolen. You can sell your digital products online on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, and eBay. Amazon is one of the best places to sell your digital products online. It has over 300 million active users and around 1 billion products. You can use it to sell physical items or digital products. You can also use Amazon FBA, which lets you store your inventory in their warehouses and they take care of all the shipping for you. Etsy is another great place to sell your digital products online because it has a large community of buyers who are interested in handmade or vintage items. It's also great for artists because they can share their work with people who love buying art prints, paintings, jewelry, etc. eBay is another good place to sell your digital products online because it has a large customer base. There are many ways in which you can promote your product or service online, such as social media marketing, advertising on Google AdWords, and email marketing. Please subscribe, comment, and like this video. If you want a simpler method to earn more than $1,000 a day, immediately click the link in the description.